if 1 2 4 comma y x comma 6 and 3 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order. ఇప్పుడు కూడా మనం క్వాడ్రిలేటర్ ఏ క్వాడ్రిలేటర్ సరే ఒక ఆర్డర్లో 1 2 3 4 తీసుకోవాలి. 1 2 ఇక్కడ తీసుకొని 3 ఇక్కడ తీసుకోకూడదు. ఫర్ ఎనీ క్వాడ్రిలేటర్ తీసుకోవాలి సార్. ఇక్కడ టేకిన్ ఇన్ ఆర్డర్ అన్నా అనకపోయినా క్వాడ్రిలేటర్ నేమ్ పెట్టేటప్పుడు 1 2 3 4 అని చెప్పి పెట్టుకోవాలి. ఓకే, ఆర్ ది వెర్టిసెస్ ఆఫ్ పారలెలోగ్రామ్ టేకిన్ ఇన్ ఆర్డర్, ఫైండ్ x and y. యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ parallelogram, we named it as A, B, ఇక్కడ C పెట్టకూడదండి, ఇక్కడే పెట్టాలి, C, D in order, A, B, C, D. Name them as A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram, where we can take that as it is parallelogram, so diagonals of a parallelogram, diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. We know that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, so therefore this is the one of the diagonal. AC is the one of diagonal and BD is the another diagonal. So they bisect each other. Bisect each other means the midpoints of the diagonals are same. So midpoint of diagonal A 1 to C x comma 6, it is equal to the midpoint of B and D. First find out the midpoint of A and C. x1 y1 x2 y2. Now midpoint of AC is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, 1 plus x by 2 comma 2 plus 6 by 2, that is equal to 1 plus x by 2, 2 plus 6 and 8 by 2, 1 2 4, that is equal to 1 plus x by 2 comma 4. This is the midpoint of AC. Now midpoint of BD, now B 4 comma y, D 3 comma 5. Let us x1 y1 x2 y2. ఇక్కడ మిడ్ పాయింట్స్ కట్టేటప్పుడు మిడ్ పాయింట్ అని రాయారండి. డోంట్ సింప్లీ రైట్ యాజ్ ఏసీ అంటే డిస్టెన్స్ అయిపోతుంది. మిడ్ పాయింట్ నాట్ పాయింట్స్, మిడ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ బీడీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు x1 plus x2, 4 plus 3 by 2, y1 plus y2, y plus 5 by 2, that is equal to 7 by 2 comma y plus 5 by 2. So midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So what is midpoint of AC? 1 plus x by 2 comma 4 is equal to 7 by 2 comma y plus 5 by 2. Okay, therefore 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2, 2 cancel చేస్తే 1 plus x is equal to 7, whereas x is equal to 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Value of x is 6. Next ఈ రెండు ఈక్వల్ కదా, సో y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 4. Therefore y plus 5 is equal to 2 into 4 8 and y is equal to 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. So x is equal to 6, y is equal to 3. This is the, so find the coordinates of points A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2 minus 3 is given, and B and one end is 1 comma 4. So whose center is 2 comma, whose center is 2 comma minus 3, and B is the one of the end of the diameter. So let A some small a comma small b. Let assume that the point A as small a. Let a comma b. The coordinate we assume as a comma b అని తీసుకుందాం. B 1 4. These are the ends of the diameter. So let us suppose x1, y1, x2, y2. Now we know that midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now what is midpoint here? 2 comma minus 3. Now substitute x1 means a plus x2 1 by 2, b plus 4 by 2. Therefore a plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. A plus 1 is equal to 2 into 2 is 4. A is equal to 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3, where A is 3. Similarly, B plus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 3. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. So B is equal to minus 6 minus 4, that is equal to minus 10. Now, what is our points? A comma B is 3 comma minus 10. A comma B, therefore A is 3 comma minus 10. If A and B are minus 2 and 2 minus 4 respectively, that means this is A, this is B. Find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal 3 by 7 AB and P lies on the line segment AB. Let us suppose this is the line segment AB. So P lies on AB. This is P. Now AP is equal to AP is equal to 3 by 7 of AB. AP is 3 by 7 times of AB. That means this is 3 parts. In total parts, AB is 7. Now AP is 3. Now what about PB? PB is 4. It is nothing but this particular P divides A minus 2, B 2 minus 4 in 3:4. That is the mean. 3:4. Now we should find the coordinates of P, x comma y. We know that according to the section formula prakaram x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. That is equal to, now m1, see 3 is equal to, this is m1, this is m2, right? 3:4 is right here. 3:4 is m1, m2, right? m1 3, x2, let us suppose x1 y1, x2 y2. m1 x2, that is 2 plus m2 4, x1 see minus 2 by m1 3 plus 4, m1 3, y2 minus 4 plus m2 4, y1, this is y1 minus 2 by m1 plus m2. 3 2s are 6 plus into minus 4 2s are 8 by 3 plus 4 7. 3 4s are minus 12 plus into minus 4 2s are 8 3 plus 4, 7. So 6 minus 8 is minus 2 by 7, comma, minus 12 minus 8, minus 20 by 7. This is x comma y. X comma y. That is what is x comma y? This is p. P minus 2 by 7, comma, minus 20 by 7. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining minus 2a, b, 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. Let us suppose this is point A and this is point B. This is AB is the line segment. AB is line segment ante the coordinates of points which divide the line segment into 4 equal parts. See, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Total 1, 2, 3, 4. AB divided into 4 equal parts. That means, ఇప్పుడు D గురించి ఆలోచిస్తే, see, D is the midpoint of AB. Because 1, 2, these two are equal. DE and EB, these are also equal. So D is the D is the midpoint of, yes, D is the midpoint of A minus 2 to B 2 comma 8. We know that midpoint is equal to therefore coordinates of D is equal to, let us suppose x1 y1 x2 y2. So x1 plus x2 by 2 minus 2 plus 2 by 2, 2 plus 8 by 2, 2 plus 8 by 2. That is minus 2 plus 2, 0. 2 plus 8 by 2, it means 10 by 2. That is equal to 5. This is the D. Similarly, see, C is the midpoint of AD. C is the midpoint of A minus 2 to D minus 2, sorry, D 0 comma 5. D 0 comma 0 comma 5. This is x1 y1 x2 y2 x2 y2. Now coordinate of C is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 means minus 2 plus 0 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 y1 by 2 by 2. Minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 0, minus 2 by 2, and 7 by 2. That is equal to minus 1 comma 7 by 2. See, C is the midpoint of A and D. Similarly, E is the midpoint of D. We know, we already find out D 0 comma 5. E is the midpoint of D 0 comma 5 and B 2 comma 8. x1 y1 x2 y2. Now E is equal to x1 plus x2 0 plus 2 by 2, y1 plus y2 5 plus 8 by 2. So 0 plus 2 by 2 is 2 by 2, 8 plus 5, 13 by 2. That is equal to 1 comma 13 by 2. Now these are the point. E 1 comma 1 comma 13 by 2, and D 0 comma 5, and C, where is C? Minus 1 comma 7 by 2. So we can find this sum in another way also. Sum ni observe cheste, C divides AB into, this is one part, these are all 3 parts. 1:3, D konukolandi, C konukolandi. D divides it into one part, same 1:1, and next one is 3:1. అలా వేసి సెక్షన్ ఫార్ములా కూడా కట్టొచ్చు.